Today we are going to start with unit number 5 and we are going to cover page number 47 to 46, plant kingdom. All the plants on the earth make up the plant kingdom. So basically you have different types of plants on the earth, and all these plants, they are included in a group, in a kingdom that is known as plant kingdom. Scientists have identified over 3 like 80,000 different species of plants. So basically up till now scientists have discovered 3 like 80,000 different types of plants. All living things in the world depend upon plants for their food. All living things depend upon plants for their food because plants can make their food through the process of photosynthesis. If you talk about humans and animals, we are not able to make our own food, so plants can make food. That's why every living thing depends upon plant for their food. Plants grow in different places on the earth, that is hot dry desert where there is little water, while some grow near water. So basically when you talk about the environment of the plant, environment is the place where the plant or animal or any living thing grow. So some plants, like you have example of cactus, it grows in an area where there is less water, and some plants like water lilies, they live in area where there is a lot of water. Plants environment, plant can be divided into two parts on the basis of environment where they grow. So you have terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. So basically on the basis of environment we can divide plants into two groups. One type is terrestrial plant and the second one is aquatic plant. Terrestrial plants. Plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Plants grow in one place on the earth are different from the plants growing on the other place because each part of the earth has different climate and temperature. So basically all the plants, if you look at this picture, all the plants like coconut tree, you have pine trees, tea plants, neem tree, cactus, all the plants that grow on land are known as terrestrial plants. And on the earth the different areas have different temperature, so the plants growing in hilly areas will have different different system as compared to the plants that are growing on a desert area. So every plant has a different requirement and different temperature is needed by the plant. Second form of plant, the second type of environment is the aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plant. Aquatic plants are important for animal life. Birds and insects feed on them. These provide resting place and shelter to thousands of tiny creatures which live underwater and on the surface. So basically all the plants that grow inside water or are present on the surface of the water, like in your book you have examples of different algae, you have example of water lilies, all these plants, and you can also see some of the examples over here in the picture. These all plants are known as aquatic plants because aqua is a word that means water. So every plant that will grow in water is known as aquatic plants. So aquatic plants are very important. They provide food for birds and insects, and they also provide resting place and place for hiding for different types of creatures that live in water. Types of plants. Some plants, they are so small that 25 of them can fit on your fingernail. So if you look at this picture, there is a plant named as utricle. The world's smallest fruit is the size of a small ant. And if you look at some trees are so big that they are almost 83 meters tall. They are mostly found in USA. And if you look at this picture, this is a journal Sherman. That tree grows up to 83 meters long.